How to change control center in iOS 17. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change the control center in iOS 17, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change the control center, if you swipe down from the top right, this is how your control center is going to look like. Let's say there are some icons that you want, there are some icons that you don't want as well, and you would like to edit them a bit further depending upon the order. So to do that, you have to open the settings app. Once you open the settings app, you want to simply go to the option called control center and tap on it, and here you can see the included controls. Now these are the controls that are included over here, and these are the excluded controls that are not included. And if you'd like to add them, you can just go ahead and then tap the turn on option over here, which is the plus icon, to add them. Here you can see I added sound recognition, so the sound recognition will get added here. If I remove a certain one, let's say music recognition here, now that music recognition will get removed. So depending upon whatever it is that you want or don't want here, you should be able to get them right from your control center. This way you can change the control center on iOS 17. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.